Hey there, this is Dr. A continuing my series on tips under 2, listening skills. Today we're going to talk about the kinds of questions you should not ask, okay? The first kind of question you should not ask is a why question. Something like, so why do you have a problem with me? Because see, that why puts the person on the defense. Second kind of question is a who question. So whose fault is it? Again, it puts the listener on the defense. Second thing you want to avoid are loaded questions that puts the other person on the spot. So you don't want to say things like, so do you mean to tell me that this is the only thing you can come up with? Again, it puts the listener on the defense. Or something like, after everything you've heard me say and you still believe that what you want to do is right, what's wrong with you? Those kinds of questions puts the listener on the defense, and it can create conflict that could be avoided if you ask the questions the correct way. So this is Dr. A with a tip under 2. I'm the gap closer, reminding you that we all have gaps and we all need to close them. To stay in touch with me, you can click that link right down there, read in the description box, Facebook, Twitter, and I'll be happy to get in touch with you. Have a great day.